Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss our Unit 3 Flood and Drought under the topic of IMD. So, first of all, we should know what is meant by IMD, how the IMD methods are worked in flood and drought method unit. So, see the course outcome of this topic. So, here we are going to analyze the outcome of this topic is assess the flood and drought risk in terms of hazards and vulnerability and analyze the measure for mitigating and managing such risk. The course outcome is correlated with the program outcome 2, 3, 6, 7 and then program specific outcome 1. So meteorology, comma, branch of science that deal with the atmosphere of a planet, particularly that of the earth, the most important application of which is the analysis and prediction of weather. So meteorological, the main work of them is only they have to predict what is the weather condition today. So IMD Met Department, the Ministry of Earth Science under the IMD are working in our country. So meteorological observation, weather forecasting and seismology. So IMD is also one of the 6 regional specialized meteorological centers. So the brief introduction of the Indian Meteorological Department. IMD is established in 1875 and is a national meteorological service of the India. Headquarters of IMD is at New Delhi with 6 regional headquarters. Provides vital weather services to public and all sectors including monsoon for common man, farmer, etc. by railways, defense services and other scientific research organizations. So 6 meteorological regions. So the North region, East region, Northeast region, Central region, West region, South region. So National Weather Forecasting Center at New Delhi. Then the regional center Delhi, Kolkata, Guwahati, Nagpur, Mumbai, and then Chennai. So Pune is the center for research and training and surface instrumentation. Actually, this is the pictorial representation of our country where the IMD are occurred. The global requirement and role of IMD. The IMD is functioning due to global requirement under World Meteorological Organization. So, World Meteorological Organization forms the policies which are implemented by all the member nation. India is one among them. So, weather services are meant for mankind and hence government of the respective nations are responsible for implementation of its order, recording of real-time data, global exchange of real-time data, validation and actual of the data. This data is national scientific treasure which has to be stored and used for the development of our country. So see the picture very clearly show. Okay, the how the weather are occur in this area. So see the geostationary meteorological satellite, polar orbiting earth research satellite, polar orbiting meteorological satellite, high altitude research aircraft. Okay, so baseline air pollution station. So voluntary observing ship, drifting by domestic airfield, meteorological observing station, all those things. Okay, so all those things are connected and that will be given a good data to us for prediction of the weather condition in our atmosphere. So the service provided by IMD to the nation is weather services to agriculture, forecasting services to the national and international civil aviation sector, WMO recognized training services to staff, public and foreign trainees, positional astronomy services, services for shipping and fisheries, climatological services, environmental meteorology, then hydro and flood forecasting. IMD's division dealing with specialized subject is agricultural meteorology, civil aviation, climatology, hydrometeorology, instrumentation, meteorological telecommunication, Regional Specialized Meteorological Center, Positional Astronomy, Satellite Meteorology, Seismology, and then training. The IMD meteorological networks are Meteorological Telecommunication Networks, Surface Observatory Network, IMD Radar Network, Ozone Monitoring Network, Radiation Observation, Voluntary Observing Ship, INOSHAC, that means Indian Ocean and Southern Hemisphere Center, Air Pollution Monitoring, NWP system. The organization structure of IMD, the picture shown very clearly. Organization structure is secretary, that is Minister of Earth Science, under the Director General of Meteorology. So see, n number of regional based center are working to form the Ministry of IMD. The cyclone warning service in India, like the cyclone distress mitigation committee, are fine, and the surface met instrument, thermography, and hydrograph instrumentation we are used. So that graph, okay, so see the graph show that how much it will be, the intensity level are affected. So the marine met and agricultural meteorological program, then flood management, observation, data exchange and tech transfer, earth observing satellites. So this much of earth observing satellite is there. Aviation met, so IMO, so is the organized from the International Meteorological Organization, so which was found in 1873. Okay, so this is the headquarters in Geneva. So the function of this is National Meteorological and Hydrological Services work around the clock to provide vital weather and climate information worldwide. So the data exchange and technology transfer, the powerful computers in WMO centers worldwide process the data collected from tens of thousands of land and sea observation instrumentations and earth observing satellite. So the observations currently well over 10,000 manned and automatic surface weather station, 1,000 upper air station, 7,000 ship, 100 moved and 1,000 drifting bias, the hundreds of weather radars and 3,000 specially equipped commercial aircraft measure key parameters of the atmosphere, land and ocean surface every day. So these are the reference material. Thank you.